Welcome to this chapter on Introduction to Python. In this chapter, we'll get started by installing Python on our machines. Then, we'll look at the major libraries that we will be using for data analysis. Finally, we'll do a practice exercise to get hands-on with the Python UI. So let's start. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language which was created by Guido van Rossum and was released in 1991. Python is primarily used for website development, software development, data science and data visualization, machine learning and artificial intelligence, and much more. So why is Python so popular? Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. So it has an easy integration. Python has a very simple syntax which is similar to the English language. Python has a syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Now let's see how you can set it up on your machine real quick. Anaconda is the best Python distribution tool on the internet. You can download Python by visiting the link www.anaconda.com/products/individual. Scroll to the bottom of the page and according to your OS and configuration, you can download and install Anaconda. An important thing to note is that we will use Python 3.7 version, so please download that. Once Anaconda installation is done, you can type Jupyter Notebooks in the Windows search bar. We will use Jupyter Notebooks throughout the course. Jupyter Notebooks provides an interface to write as well as run your Python code. Before we start with Jupyter Notebooks, we need to take a moment to discuss Python libraries. Python library is a collection of functions that allows you to perform many actions without writing complex code. Apply the analogy of libraries in the physical world here. You visit a real library to gain access to the already available wealth of knowledge in the world, thereby relieving you from the tedious task of wasting your time in essentially reinventing the wheel. So in short, with a Python library, you can reuse a code that has been written by top coders and focus on your analysis rather than worrying about the code. So what libraries do we require for our data analysis? The first library that we need to learn would be Pandas. It is one of the most famous libraries used in Python. You can call it the Excel of Pandas. With Pandas, you can import Excel files, perform a lot of operations on it. The data imported into Python is called a data frame. We will use Pandas for importing data and doing the major data cleaning operations. The next important library we will use would be Matplotlib and Seaborn. Both these libraries are used in combination as Seaborn is built on top of Matplotlib. Both of these will help us do the most important task of data visualization. These libraries have the ability to make amazing graphs and plots with just one line of code. I know you are now eager to start learning Python, so let's do it. In the next video, we will learn how to write code in Jupyter Notebooks and use these libraries for data analysis.